today's video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Also, share this video with one of your friends because it can be really helpful. With that being said, let's hop into today's video. So, guys, before I even start talking, I just want to say this video is not sponsored. It's just something that helped me with my armpits, and hopefully it can help you too. But before I got my armpits how I wanted them, I was so ashamed and so afraid to wear spaghetti straps. I was so afraid to wear bikinis. That anything that shows your armpit, I was not for it. I will insert a picture right here. This is my armpit. This is actually me. And I was just so ashamed. Look at it. It just looks so dark. It don't match my skin. And it just looks so gross. I want to vomit. It was just so nasty. I had low self-esteem. I did not want to lift my arms. I did not even want to I just hated my armpits so bad that I wouldn't even I wouldn't care for them anymore. I would just wear long sleeves and shirts that right here, and I wouldn't care, you know? But I'm hey, what can help me? What can help me? So I had Google videos on how to line my armpits, and people was making their own stuff, using lemons and using baking soda. I'm just what can I use? It has to be something I can buy to just use. So, ding, 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 I found something. So I found this on Amazon, and it's whitening cream, and this stuff worked. I've been only using it for 2 weeks, and I'm so overthrilled. I'm shocked that it worked in only 2 weeks, you know, because I've been trying to line my armpits for so long, and I couldn't find nothing until now, and I love it so much. Oh my god, you guys don't even understand. My armpits were so I hated them for years, and now I can finally lift my armpits with no problem. So you guys probably India, how do you use it then? So it says apply it twice a day, so morning and nighttime. And then, but before you apply, you have to shave downward. I shave downward. I don't go against my hair. And then to pat it dry and then apply it. So you just apply a little bit in your finger. A little goes a long way. And just rub it in until it absorbs. And that's it. Don't put any lotion on your armpits. Don't put any deodorant. Just this by soap. And I'm telling you guys, it would work. Take my word for it. I would make sure to link it down below in the description so you guys can get it yourself. Now, here goes my real. This is how I look now. This is how my armpits look now, guys. And from that to this, in only 2 weeks, that's end of applause, guys. Cause without this cream, I would still have no confidence in my underarms. I would still not be wearing anything that shows my armpits. I would not be for it. But now I can actually go out in public, get my cereal on a high counter, get my milk, and just lift my armpits and be happy about it. Not be ashamed of oh, her armpit's so nasty. Oh my goodness. No, now I'm gonna actually go out in public and be happy, guys. But make sure you guys read the ingredients, because I don't want you guys to get a reaction to it and then try to blame me. So make sure you guys read it and see if it's for you, because it's not for everybody, guys. But yeah, guys, other than that, I shave downward. I don't go against my hair. I don't use lemon. I don't use baking soda, just because I feel me doing it by myself, I can really cause more damage than good. I feel it. So I recommend you guys either buy you guys a lightening cream instead of making it yourself, because I feel we don't know what we're doing, and it might can end up bad or worse than how it looks now. But I will insert the pictures one more time of how it went from the darkness to the lightness. And you guys can even tell my voice that I'm so excited about my armpits now, because I went from looking like Godzilla or something, and now I'm looking like a regular person with a little bit of dark underarms. But that's fine, because I went from a dark underarm to a semi-dark underarm. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, tips on what you guys recommend for me to use or anything like that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.